When you're an independent contractor, your tools aren't just tools, they're your entire business. If something happens to them, your income is on the line. Next Insurance gets that. Their tools and equipment coverage is built for people just like you, electricians, plumbers, landscapers, and handymen who depend on their gear every single day. With Next, you can protect your drills, saws, and other tools against theft, loss, or accidental damage. If you're working with another contractor and borrowing gear, some coverage options even extend to those tools. And because you don't have time to chase paperwork, Next makes it easy. Everything is done online, from getting insured to filing a claim. That means you get covered fast and keep working without long days. Freelancers don't have a big company backing them up. That's why having insurance that protects your equipment is critical. Stay independent and stay protected. Get Next Tools and Equipment coverage today using the link in the description.